Question 6. Which of the following are correctly paired as the reactants for cellular respiration? Alright, highlight the question. So you have your graphic here. You want to label this down here. Remember, water is here. Carbon dioxide I put down here. And then we have oxygen and glucose. So remember that oxygen and glucose are always going to be together. That's why we would draw the heart around them in class during those notes. Okay, so looking at this image, we have this represents sun. This right here represents ATP. So for photosynthesis, we have to take in water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. So this is happening in the chloroplast. We're producing or creating oxygen and glucose because plants create oxygen for us to breathe and their own food source, which is glucose. And then oxygen and glucose become reactants for cellular respiration, which happens in the mitochondria. Okay, and then they are producing ATP, our energy, water, and carbon dioxide. All right. So if I go through and label this, going into a reaction are the reactants. What's coming out or being created are the products. And then we have reactants over here. And then what's coming out are products over here. All right? So correctly paired is the reactants for cellular respiration. So looking at our pairings, carbon dioxide and water are never together, so we can get rid of A. Water, carbon dioxide, and glucose, they're never together. Water and carbon dioxide are, but glucose is not. Glucose and oxygen, that looks like a good choice. Water and glucose are never together. All right. Our best answer choice for 6 is C.